Ah, it is back. The intro's back, bro. I'm trying to vibe, but they're so sad. I feel bad. Buddies, what's good? It is my favorite time of the week. Is Gfriend time, bro. Seriously, every time I get the chance to check out Gfriend, it's such a vibe, bro. I'm always excited to check out some Gfriend, and today we're doing a really special one. We're doing 3 videos, which is crazy. I never do 3 videos. Well, technically 6 videos because it's the dance practices as well. But I really wanted to finish up the Korean comebacks and check them out with you guys. Get that all done. We'll check out the Japanese songs in another video, as well as the 2x speed, as well as a guide, as well. There's so much great content for me to check out, and it's something that I want to do. I just want to keep going with Gfriend, so if you guys are interested in that, make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more, bell notifications, everything. Patreon is in the description below if you guys want to check out some live stages. If you guys want me to check out Gfriend Memoria, like I said, there's so much content to get through, and it's a really exciting journey for me because personally I'm really becoming a huge buddy. If you guys like what I do, just go down in the description, comment below what you guys think. Let's just get into it. We're gonna start with Summer Rain, get into Sunny Summer and Fever. This is like every year, 2017, 2018, and 2019. So let's get into it, y'all. Once I finish this, I can check out more relays from them, which is another exciting thing for me, because seriously, every time I watch something by Gfriend, they never fail. You know what, let's stop stalling and get into the video. 3, 2, 1, whoa. Now, what's good? She got the umbrella, it's raining. Oh, the image works straight off the bat. We got captions, right? We got captions. Yes. Umbrella fell and then the beat comes in. Let's go. Just the way Una comes to the front here. Elegant. Hey, okay, playing with the lyrics here. I love this progression here. We got the soft focus, blurry background. Yuju. We're sad, but the beat is so upbeat. Miracle of a Summer Day. Thank you for being like a clear rain. Ah, it is back. The intro's back, bro. I'm trying to vibe, but they're so sad. I feel bad. Future was unclear like, oh wait, I want to check out that lyric real quick. The future was unclear like a passing sun shower. What a beautiful line. Shinbi. We miss each other unlike the wishes. A rainbow short, okay. So oh, the scent of a guy. They're creating beautiful imagery with the lyrics. Oh, do. Crossroad? Oh, beautiful shot with like the fingers, the raindrops coming down. So beautiful, like it's... The beat's going off though. Okay. Oh, cool. Cool arm work. They're all connected. Ooh, ta. Harmonies. Okay. Rain pass. She dropped it. High note. You just hair like that too, come on. Woo! Yeah! Ooh, and then they finish the way they start. They love doing that. They love their finishing the way they started. And now we're just embracing the rain. Because rain is beautiful, man. You can't appreciate the sunny day without the rain. She even dropped her stuff and it's getting wet. Now we're in a different key. Love that. I love the progression. Love that. Bro, in his acting, bro, you can see the tears in her. Well, not the tears, but just like her eyes welling up. We got the bow. Love that. Love that. Man, just the beautiful message with the lyrics and everything, and just like how, you know, on the surface, rain can be like, you know, such a negative thing to some people, but you notice the beauty on a summer. I think the idea of it is like with the summer day, once the rain clears, you get a short burst of the rainbow and then you appreciate the sun more. I think that's something that I really resonate with personally. I've always loved rain because I know that once it's gone, I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss the feeling of just being, I don't know, like if you guys vibe with that kind of feeling, but like personally, I love the rain because it just makes you appreciate the brighter days, and the brighter days make you appreciate the rain sometimes. Just like you know, just the sound of it is so therapeutic. And I think there is some science behind it. But yeah, anyways, I went on about that for a while, but Summer Rain, bro, great song. Love the high notes, the glamour shots. I love the, you know, blurry kind of background that they were going for, and then the ending with the progression of like, you know what, let's appreciate the rain, let's embrace it, because we're not always gonna be sunshine and rainbows, okay? Sometimes we're gonna, you know, be in the rain, we're gonna be a little sad, but that doesn't mean we can't, you know, embrace that and just learn to be in that. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about the message and everything. That's how I interpreted it. But you guys might have a different message. They might have had a different message that they were going for. Let's check out the Summer Rain choreography now. I saw a little bit of the choreo in the MV, but this one obviously is going to be clearer. And they had like a lot of like cool image work. They were connected with the hands and everything. So let's see what this is all about. Of course, they don't have a dance practice for it, so we're going to check out the 1the dance cover video. Yeah, there was a choreography video, but I thought this one would be more appropriate. Let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. What's up, girlfriend? The caption said girlfriend. Yeah. So they're all connected at the center here. Beautiful spins. Of course, their outfits really help emphasize that movement, right? Strong arm work. They pull each other in. Hey, on the heels. Hey. I love this part just because Eunha's hair, the length of it just really like bounces with her movement. I don't know, like I think that's why it looks so great. Just the way she's spinning with it, and it's like the hair is bouncing with it. Some nice melting moments at the back here. Once again, great playing with the arms here, or with the lyrics. Sing it, MG. Pa, ba. And they love their lines. Oh, they get a nice little image here. I think it's like a star. I think they're trying to create maybe a star, maybe... Oh, maybe an umbrella, because they are talking about an umbrella. Nice grooves here. I love the way she gets into that. Oh, and their time. I think that was like another time reference with the clock. And their arm work. And their bounces. They love their bounces. Nice. Oh, I like how they're transitioning through the line here. Oh, that little moment too with the trio. They're connected and they spin around. Just some nice work here. Ooh. Great teamwork in this one, as always. Yeah, they're definitely playing with the clock again. Yeah. Ooh, that little musicality moment with the knees. Da da. Da da. Ooh, and they changed up here. They have like they had the umbrella or whatever that, I think it was an umbrella, since they were talking about it. But in this one they changed it up and they have like the couple images on the side here. Ooh. And their heads are there too. That was kind of cool. The formation might be different in this one too. I feel like I remember Yuju in the center, maybe not. And they're like twisting their hands while they move back too. Ooh, they got into that quick, man, that's tough. They have to connect those arms really quick. Dude. You can see it's a bit of a tough kind of... Yeah. The waves. Nice. Let's go, Shinbi. Bit of a stumble there, I think. Get in. Our crystal clear story. Ooh. Hey, that's nice. I like this little moment here. They kind of like, they go once, but then they fully go to the, I don't know how to describe it. See, watch this. Like kind of like prepping it, and then they fully do it. And once again, the no look hands. And they look up at it. Great stuff. Great stuff. This is one of those dances where individually you could probably do a cover of it. It wouldn't be as the most difficult, but what makes this difficult is the teamwork that's involved, like the little passing off of each other. That's gonna make it really difficult. So Gfriend, even with their easier choreographies, are still difficult in a lot of ways. So yeah, man, I like that one. I like that one. Let's get into the next one, Sunny Summer. So we had the rain, and now we got the sunny summer. So nice progression here. They always they like to play with like juxtaposing themes and everything with the time for the moon night and sunrise, and I think this is around that timeline as well. So let's check out what sunny summer is all about. Okay, so the first message we got here is all days are nights to see till I see thee, and nights bright days when dreams do show thee me. Okay, so maybe all the days feel like nights until I see you, or until I see maybe the sunrise or something. And nights bright days when dreams do show thee me. So when I see my dreams, or when I see myself achieving those dreams, the nights are bright like daytime. Let me know what you guys think about that. All right, let's get into it. Little poetry. Come on. We tired. We're yawning. We're bored. Oh. I'm loving the aesthetic of this. The blue. We got a hula. Let's go somewhere. Confess them. Hey. We got that fish again. Yeah. What did she say? She shouted herself out. That's adorable. I think this is gonna be Aaron's song. I have a feeling. Someone looking gorgeous though. What? Gfriend queen of summer bops. Yo, this is gonna be Aaron's song. Oh, someone with the curls? Wow. What's with the cherries? Oh my gosh. What's she got? Yuju in this red hair with the... Oh. Don't play with her like that. Doorbell. We got film noir? Come on. Hey. I love you too. Go. Okay, sorry. I can just confess my feelings. Alright. Waves. The aesthetic of this. What up? What? Did they just, was that like an art piece that they were referencing there? I love all the waves. This hair from YouTube. We're at karaoke. Oh my gosh. You should be mine. Was that someone singing that? Oh my gosh, the heart in the air. Wow. Umji being dragged? It was like the opposite of being dragged, like push. Wow, and then we're fanning because it's so hot. It's so hot out. It's a summer bop. Wow, I really love that one. Are we surprised though? But like, that's, no, like honestly though, it's a completely different style than all their other stuff. Of course they've done like bright / cute kind of concepts, but this summer bop, they can do everything. They can do freaking everything. I really love this one. I really love the vibes. That MV was just beautiful to watch. Just them having a great time, and I think it's the energy we all need right now as buddies. Come on, it's good. But yeah, let's get into the dance practice now. But I really love that one. Just a nice vibe. If there was like a deeper meaning in this, I didn't catch it just because it felt like a really nice summer bop, and that's, hey, that's good enough for me. Everything Gfriend does, I'll enjoy it regardless. Let's get into the dance practice. Let's see what the dance is all about, man. It looked really cute. 3, 2, 1. The smile straight off the bat. Ooh, they like searching around here. Formation's already on point. Hey, Shinbi. Hey, cute. Nice little armwork, come on. The points. Super in sync too. I love how they shout out their own names, bro. Ooh, the little waves as they're moving. Nice. Hey. Oh, she just shouted herself out too. I heard Shinbi. Hey. Hey. Nice reveal there for Una. I can't help but notice Yuju, bro. She looks so good. Shinbi. Oh, and then they go here, they copy her. Nice. You change it up with the formations. Okay, they like bring it up to the top level there. I love this little wave moment, man. Hey, and they like kind of like. Oh, you watch Shinbi here. I like her choices here. She killed that. Nice. So this is the. Oh my gosh, Yaren's so cute. Come on. Hey, that moment. Come on. Hey. Oh, let's go, MG. Nice. I love how they like copy her after that. Oh, she just created a star or something. I like this moment here, just the formation. I like the levels, it creates a bit of dynamic. And then of course we have the 4 in the middle, kind of creating a nice window effect here. We're hitting the whole counts here. Hey! I love that moment, bro. the pose in the air is so great. Just look at them. Just living their life, bro. The knees are inward. This creates a really cute moment. Yaren with the heart. Hey, Sawan. I like how they twist to the ground there. They must have had so much fun with this comeback, man. Hey, now Eunji's in charge of it. Love it. Oh, I gotta see a live stage for that. That must be so fun. We'll check out live stages another time. But let's get into Fever. Now this is probably one of the more highly requested ones, of course. This is, I think, I don't know about the other ones, but I know this was a full comeback, like a full like promotional title track, I guess. So yeah, definitely excited to check this one out. So let's get into it, y'all. I might have seen this one, but I haven't checked the dance or anything, and it's been a long time if I did see it. So let's get into it. 3, 2, 1, go. Yaren looking serious. Luna just appears in the back here. Oh, this is gonna be a beautiful song, I can tell. Oh, I'm loving the shaky kind of camera work here. Oh, hey, groove and groove. Got kind of like a Caribbean feel. Oh, this beat is going off. Distant echo. Like a dream aria. Let me know what that means, guys. Yuju looks gorgeous. Okay, they all look gorgeous, I'm sorry. So long. That's a great outfit. Alright. This song is beautiful. Real quick, what is on the leg there? Hardcore. What does it say? Eunji sounds great. Straight up with the arms like this. The makeup is really unique too. Oh, the fake drop. Interesting with the torso here. The cactus. Woo! Oh, Shinbi killing this. I think Yeren's look is one of my favorites in this one. Just the makeup and everything. Hey. Is this the bridge? Ooh, the beat. Someone and Yeren. I love this moment with just the arms like that. I feel like I know how to love myself. And this progression is back. You do. She got full Balenciaga. No, nah. The cactus, bruh. Oh my gosh. Oh, the torso back. This song just keeps going. You do. The interaction. Yes, Una, get that high note. Hey, hey. Oh, Eunji. You just got just a stare down game like no other. This piano. Look. Holy crap, that was an experience. That was an experience, y'all. Oh man. Everyone shined in that one. I don't know what you guys, if you guys think so, but like I think everyone really shined in this one. I felt like I got to see a bit of everyone, and all of their moments were so great. But the song is just, it's really interesting the way it's structured, because I feel like I heard a bridge and then it goes back into that pre-chorus kind of thing. I feel like we had like 2 or 3 verses or something. But that's a really interesting song. And then in terms of the dance, this freaking moment where they just have the arms like this and Yeren's just staring us down like that. The glamour shots were freaking on point. Everybody looking great with the outfits, really unique as well. Let me know, I forgot who it was, but they had something like a kind of like a sleeve on their leg that said something, said like hardcore something, I don't know. But the MV was really beautiful, and yeah man, I'm excited to see what the dance is all about. Really interesting MV. I can see why you guys want me to check that one out as well. So last video today. I'll be back with my Gfriend very soon. So let's get into the fever dance practice. Heck yeah. 3, 2, 1, whoa. The start. Hey, the grooves. Formations have changed like 3 times already. Oh, the legs? Shinbi kills this part. Super effortless, that spin. Oh, so in sync. Great image work. Oh, it's fast. And they're connected once again. Oh, that head spin was great. That part, bro. Oh, hard to get that. You have to have a bit of tutting experience to get that. Or just be flexible, man. Yes. Let's go, Yuju. Oh, that little twist there. Nice. That's a great, that's just like an effortless spin, man. Get it. Oh, shimmy on the side killing it too, bro. Hey. And that moment too, okay, a lot's happened. I kind of want to go back and check this out again. Let's just talk about some stuff, but like, just from the start, the freaking bounce, bro. Bah! You're already engaged. And they look different directions here. Una kills that combo, man. I love the torso and the da-da, and then they go down a level, and it's really nice. Just that section is really nice. And really so engaging from the start. They're really good at capturing your attention. And then the verses are usually a bit more like cuter or slash like easier. Their choreography in general is more difficult, and there's a lot of like intricacies with how they do it, but I just love the way that they can really capture your attention right away. Okay. And see, we pick up the energy here. And that's like that little point move. I love how they kind of like pull the leg back. A little cross. Just watch their togetherness in this part. It is so aesthetically pleasing. They got the levels, they got the sorry, okay. Arm work right here. Great groove work here from Solon. And Eunji, she sounds so great. Interesting choice to have them also stacked while they're moving, and then they spread out and create this window effect. And now they're in a line. And great release there from everyone. And Una brings this back. I love how someone just breathes for a second, gets her moment there, and then she joins later. Nice, great movement here. They're never afraid to do these extended grooves right beside each other, because they know they're going to be so in sync that they're not going to hit each other. And I like this little groove moment as well. Ta ta pa ta 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 ta, and they slowly raise it up. Alright, second verse. Yo! Sorry, I got a little excited there, man. They were like, pa pa pa. Okay. Watch Shinbi, bro. Ta 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 pa pa pa. Yo! Oh, and the levels here? Hey. This pre-chorus is so beautiful. And we get one more pre-chorus. And they change it up here. Yuji killing it. Ta ta. There's a lot of like quick hand work, which is hard to synchronize. Once again, Sohan gets the moment. Love this torso work. Nice. Cool. Nice, and they all kind of like, oh, interesting. With the levels here again. Ooh. Yes, Yerin kills this. Ah. Oh, and they all join in a different time there. Once again, the grooves in close quarters. And I love all the movement too. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. This is one part. This is one part. I know it's a long video. If you guys stuck around all the way, let me know. I would love to hear who stuck around the whole video. Because y'all are real. Let's go. I just want to check out this. This little section from Yerin is great. Yeah, I love this interaction. Oh, do you see the little dee? Like they hit the Hey, Yeren's energy in this is so good. MG, kill it in the back. I see you. Tup. Love the smile from MG as well, bro. Hey. Heck yeah. Great stuff. Always, never missing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and took something from it. Hopefully I could bring you some new stuff maybe you haven't seen before. That's always what I try and do, but at the very least, hope you guys just enjoyed vibing with a fellow buddy. Always love checking out Gfriend. More coming very soon. So much more coming, and like I said, I will try and be doing these videos as often as I can, and if I do slack a bit, I'll do stuff like this where I check out more videos than expected, because I gotta catch myself up too, bro. Like I wanna be up to date like you guys. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, as always, and peace!